Smart Open Data or Linked Open Data for Environment Protection in Smart Regions is an FP7 project funded by the European Commission. Smart Open Data is creating a linked open data infrastructure including apps, tools, and data regarding national parks, protected sites, and environment protection. The Smart Open Data infrastructure uses existing environmental and geospatial datasets. This is a small example regarding linked open data in Spain. For example, using publicdata.eu, it's possible to see that there are 171 RDF datasets from United Kingdom and 1,853 datasets from Italy. There are not RDF datasets registered in Spain. Also, there are only 14 datasets registered in GEOS. Regarding Smart Open Data Portuguese-Spanish pilot, we can highlight that we are using several datasets, more than 20, and these datasets are stored in several formats, such as PDF, very common, SQLite, Oracle Spatial, S-Reshapes, Microsoft Access, and others. The main question is, why do we want to transfer them? This is one of the aims of the project, to translate them to an unified and standard format. Also, there are several datasets that are currently underused, and on the other hand, they contain very useful information. Smart Open Data is focused on how linked open data can be applied generally to spatial data resources and specifically to public open data sources from GEOS, Inspire, and voluntary data, and how they can impact on the economy and progress. Therefore, the project will reuse existing European spatial data infrastructures based on Inspire and GEOS, and will extend them using linked open data. In this moment, we are close to create viewers and apps, but not yet. Regarding the Portuguese-Spanish pilot about agroforestry management and water and drinking water management, we are modeling the existing datasets to provide an interoperable and machine-readable framework. After the definition of the models, we are defining the vocabularies and ontologies that will act as a bridge to the publication of data as RDF. Currently, the following tasks have been carried out: gathering of external and internal data sources, translation from several geospatial formats to Wikit. But there is also an open question regarding the publication of RDF. Would it be made on the fly, or there would be a duplicated copy of raw data? First approach is better, but more complex. Currently, we are working on the second approach. The RDF datasets are a duplicate from original data. This approach is easier, but it means more disk space and possible inconsistencies. The Smart Open Data Viewer editor currently exists, but it has not been adapted yet to show and query RDF datasets. We expect to obtain our first RDF datasets by December, in just 1 month, and we expect to show the result of our semantic queries by next January. Thank you very much for your attention, and don't hesitate to contact us to obtain more information through our webpage, social networks profiles, and my email address.